Here I have REALME Narzo N53, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by holding your finger on it, nothing happens. When you tap on it once, you can select device audio settings here, so you can record device audio, microphone, or both. You can show touches on the screen. So when you're ready to record, just tap start. After this countdown, recording will start. So now it's on. And when you're done recording your screen, you go to the upper bar like this and tap stop here. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery, to the special section called screenshots. And here it is. And from here you can share, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.